we will demonstrate how to install the Raspberry Pi radar and OK camera on the ACCE model, and how to install the battery on the UGV Rover and UGV Beast. For the ACCE models of both the UGV Rover and UGV Beast, the steps for installing the Raspberry Pi are the same. The only difference lies in the slight variations between installing the Raspberry Pi 4B and the Raspberry Pi 5. First, we will introduce the installation of the Raspberry Pi 5 on the UGV Beast. The installation on the UGV Rover follows the same process. Begin by unscrewing these 4 screws on the product's expansion component, then set the expansion component aside. Secure the D500 LIDAR to the expansion component using KM 2.5x8 countersunk screws and silver M3 nuts. Insert the D500 LIDAR's cable into the LIDAR port on the audio driver board. Fasten another M4x6 hex socket cap screw here. Apply the thermal pad to the chip of the Raspberry Pi 5, ensuring to remove all protective films from the pad. Attach the cooling fan to the Raspberry Pi 5, and insert the fan's cable into the port on the Raspberry Pi 5. Secure the cooling fan using the transparent nylon screws provided with the fan. Insert the audio driver board, USB camera, and the Type-A connector of the OEKD light into the USB ports of the Raspberry Pi 5. Tuck the camera cables neatly into the robot. Insert the Raspberry Pi 5 into the audio driver board via the 40-pin interface, and secure the Raspberry Pi 5 to the product using silver metal round head screws PM 2.5x5. Then, reattach the previously removed expansion component to the product using the 4 screws taken off earlier. With that, the Raspberry Pi 5 installation is complete. Next, we will explain the installation of the Raspberry Pi 4B on the UGV Rover. The installation on the UGV Beast follows the same process. Start by unscrewing these 4 screws on the product's expansion component, then set the expansion component aside. Secure the D500 LIDAR to the expansion component using KM 2.5x8 countersunk screws and silver M3 nuts. Fasten the OEKD light to the expansion component using M4x6 hex socket cap screws. Apply the thermal pad to the back of the cooling fan, making sure to remove the protective film from the pad. Attach the cooling fan to the Raspberry Pi 4B. Insert the cooling fan's cable into the audio driver board. Insert the D500 LIDAR's cable into the LIDAR port on the audio driver board. Insert the Raspberry Pi 4B into the audio driver board via the 40-pin interface. Secure the Raspberry Pi 4B to the product using cross round head screws with washers, M1.4x10. Then, reattach the previously removed expansion component to the product using the 4 screws taken off earlier. With that, the Raspberry Pi 4B installation is complete. Finally, we will introduce how to install the batteries. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the chassis of the robot, and then open the chassis. Then place the batteries into the battery module, noting the positive and negative markings on the module. Ensure the batteries are inserted with the correct polarity. Charging is prohibited if the battery is connected incorrectly. Finally, reattach the previously removed chassis component to the product using the 4 black metal hex socket cap screws, M3x6, taken off earlier. With that, the battery installation for the UGV Rover chassis is complete. Lastly, use the included 12.6 volts 2 ampere charger to plug into the robot's charging port to activate the UPS power module, which will then provide power output. Press the product's power button to turn it on, and it is ready for use.